Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to POCO X6. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then set it up by clicking on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on XIAOMI, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finish, hit Send Next selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then tap on Download after Watch Ad. To scan this QR code though, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your camera at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!